Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be one of my faves that I like to do, and it's going to be a shopping haul to some of my favorite stores. I had the pleasure this morning of getting up and my family still being asleep, so I was going to get some cleaning supplies, but I happened to, pick up a few extra things that were needed for the house, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So first I went to Target, and from Target I picked up a few of the organizational things. I picked up some of these clear little, it's not even clear, it's frosted, like a black frosted color. And in my house I've been using neutrals, like your grays, your blacks, your whites, and I'm going to use these type of bins to go under my sink in the master bathroom. I'm gonna organize under there. So I got two this size. I went ahead and got one on this size, and I think I'm gonna put like my makeup and stuff in here. I have one of those, I think they call it a train case, but I don't want it anymore. It's just big, it's bulky, and I'm going to try and eliminate things that I don't need anymore, that I'm not using, that are expired. And I'm just gonna keep this under the sink and put the essentials in there, because who has a beat face these days, you know? Next, I got, well, that's another one of these sizes here. So it looks like I bought 4 this size. I thought I only got 2, so I got 4. Next, I got this size, and they're all black frosted, like a very hard plastic. That's gonna look really cute and under the sink with all of the things that, that I have, the mess I have under there. And it's gonna look really cute with that marble paper, these two. So I got 2 of these, and they were $7 each. So it's really not costing me a whole lot to organize under my sink. And then I also got this size, that's a matching set, and then these are gonna go in the drawers along with, if anything else can fit in there, this size, and I got 3 of those. Then I went on ahead, and the lids for all of these bins are separate. I mean, that made no sense to me, but they're separate and they're really cheap also. They're only like $1 a lid, but I got 3 in this size here. So these lids are gonna fit on this one, and I did get a lid for this one, because this is the one that's gonna have my makeup on it. It's gonna fit on this size right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack them, because they're stackable too. They're stackable. I'm making a lot of noise. Okay, there you go. So they're stackable. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna put the lid on the top. So there's no point in purchasing a lid for that when I can do it like that. So next, what I bought from Target is going to be more organization stuff. So that's the theme around the Weldon household, is basically getting organized and cleaned and decluttered and all that good stuff. I bought these here. These are smaller, a little bit more flimsy, and I got 3 different sizes. Hold on a second. And I got this size too. So I got these to go into the vanity in my powder room, because it's a pull-out drawer there, and we just kind of got stuff already thrown in there already, and so I can see it going south in a mess. So I'm going to line those drawers, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Yeah, next thing for the home that I got from Target is going to be this little thingamajig here. This storage type, what is it? I guess like a little, I don't know, like a, oh yeah, excuse me. So yeah, so this little thingamajig here is what I got, which is a wired basket. And I don't know, this is probably about 14 inches long. And what I'm gonna do, I have some shelves that we DIY'd that I'm gonna put in my bathroom, and I'm gonna sit this on here, and I'm gonna put my tissue in here. And I just think it's gonna be so cute. So, and it has these little golden handles. I don't use gold in my house like that, but what I'm gonna do is just like paint it like a matte black. So this color is like a slaty silver. The lighting is a little off because it's bright right here where I am, but I think the matte black is gonna look really cute. And the next thing that I purchased, or the two next things that I purchased for the home that are not like organization or anything like that, is going to be my fave, a bottle of Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner. And I thought I was about to rack up and get a few cents, but I couldn't because Target has a note there that says that I can only get one, so that was a bummer. And also I bought here, also I got this spray. Like, I was walking around in the Target area of like the linens and stuff, and then this stuff was there. I was like, that looks like it smells good. But it says Serenity, and it feels like some type of something that's in a spa, if you ask me. And it smells like it too. They had it's a room spray, and they had one for Clarity, they had one for this is Serenity, and they had I can't remember, but they're all like 10 bucks a piece, and it feels really nice. It looks nice. It goes with all my skincare stuff, so it can sit like, it fits in. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's like a sage little minty color. I like it. It smells good, and I had to have it. And I almost forgot, I was getting up about to change out my stuff for Ross, the Ross haul, and I forgot I bought this from Target also. It's like a turntable type thing. I can put this on the counter also with some of the essentials in here that we use, you know, maybe like some skincare stuff that I can put in here, and yeah, it'd be nice. I like it. But what we're gonna do now is move on to the things that I purchased from Ross. And low-key, like, I love everything. Like, Ross has been really empty lately, and it was on point today. It was overstocked, if you ask me. So I just kind of lost my mind and ended up buying some stuff to redecorate or just update my bedroom. All right, so let's get to it. Let's start off by, these are like my favorite of the trip because they're so cute. I currently have like these big tall lamps on the side of my bed, and I think I'm done with them. We don't really use them like that, to be honest with you. I have my normal light up top, I have this big lamp in the corner, and then I have those two lamps. So I'm gonna be getting rid of those. Of course, I'm gonna be selling them on the Facebook Marketplace, which is, I love it. I love the Marketplace. The vision that I have for the ends of my bed are, I want something small and contemporary here. This is a little lamp. This is gray. So I don't know if you can see it picking up off camera, but it's a cute little gray dimmer type lamp. Yeah, so it's a dimmer on it. I didn't even read that. And I got two of them. So I'm gonna put these on the sides of my bed, and they're gonna be cute. So, and I wanna replace the mirrors that I have on the side of my bed. I mean, yeah, they're like rectangular, like a little fat rectangular shape, but I want something kind of tall and skinny to, I don't know, draw your eyes upward. And so I don't know, I probably have to check out Kirkland's for something like that, because I've checked TJ Maxx, I've been in Home Goods, I was in Hobby Lobby, and nobody has what I want for the price that I want to pay. So I'm going to keep searching. From Ross, I am basically replacing my bed covers because they're done. They're done. I'm done with them. They're done with me. So, I got a new comforter set. You can barely see it. I'm probably gonna have to end up showing you guys a little video to the side here. But yeah, I love it. It's striped, and it has, the inside is black. I don't think it's reversible, but I like when I flip it over, you can see that it's black. It has some white in it, a little bit of grays, and like I said, the blacks. I went on ahead and picked up a 4-piece set from Ross, also in like a dark gray, not light. I don't want anything too light because those are light that come with it. So like a darker gray set, and so I'm just excited about those, to just have some new sheets. They always feel so good on the skin. I got some pillows. Child, my pillows are done also, like done. So I went ahead and picked up a pack of King pillows. These are some Calvin Klein pillows, And like I said, they're the king size, and they are 100% cotton, hypoallergenic, and you can wash them in the machine. It says a 3-year warranty, but who has a warranty on pillows? Like, what do you do? But anywho, they feel good, they feel firm, which is kind of how I like my pillows. And then, because I always have like a little throwaway that I fold up and bend up, but I want my pillows to last, so I bought this 2-pack here. Next, I'm going to show you guys, what else do I have from Ross? I have this pillow. Like, it's not a body pillow, but it's a long pillow, and it's gray, and I like it. I have something similar like this in my living room, but it's basically an accent pillow that I'm going to be putting on the bed. So I like to stack my pillows where I put the 2 or like a king pillow, then my Euro sham, then something like this, and then like a smaller pillow in front. So like 4 rows of pillows. So yeah, I like this. I like this. There's no reason for it to be getting dirty and disgusting, but you have a zipper here to take it out. It's not like it's just one piece. I can unzip it and I can easily wash this. So it's an insert in there. So I went on ahead and purchased another cutting board because I realized when I was in the kitchen the other day, my cutting board was trash, and it was just time for a new one. You know how like stuff stains it? You sit and stuff on it that doesn't even go on a cutting board. It's just basically being used to not put your food on the counter, and it stains it. So I went ahead and purchased another one for about $8.99. Yeah, $8.99 from Ross. And I also got this cutting board, but I'm not gonna use it. It's gonna be for decorations. So what I'm gonna do is put it on the wall, like on the underside of my cabinet. I don't know if I'm gonna use it this way or this way, but I know I'm gonna put on there probably like, you know, let's eat or something. I'm gonna print it off from my Cricut, put it on here. I don't even know if I'm gonna seal it because I may want to change it out. I may even do removable and again, it's like a dark black grayish wash. It looks a little brown, but it's more black to me. And I also stopped in another place, but I didn't get enough items to be adding it to the haul, you know. But I am also putting this beautiful sign in my bedroom, right? Let me step back. Let's see how I can get this in. I can't even get all this in the picture, though. But it basically, let me see what I'm gonna have to do. Let's see what I'm gonna have to do. But yeah, I got this beautiful sign from Hobby Lobby, and it, as you can see, it says, "And so together they built a life they loved." And I'm gonna put that over the top of my bedroom, like right over the bed. Yeah, because I just think it's pretty. I think it goes there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint that light colored wood a darker color to make it match with the rest of the room. And I also purchased from Hobby Lobby this cute little plant that's going to go on my shelf in the bathroom. Because I'm gonna have 2 shelves. They're gonna look like they're floating. And like I said earlier, I'm gonna have the little basket with the tissue in it. I'm gonna have a little plant. I already have a picture picked out that I'm gonna put in there. And I'm gonna make those shelves look cute and functional. So, but yeah, that's it. So I stopped at Target, Ross, and Hobby Lobby to revamp my house a little bit for the coming holidays. Get it under control, get all this mess up out of here, and then organize the mess that you already have. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'm whispering because my husband is in there asleep, and I don't want Nathan to think he can come in here and harass me while I'm doing a video. But yeah, so thank you guys again for checking in with me and watching this wonderful haul. I don't want to be like, oh, there's more to come, but yeah, I'm slowly like adding little things and organizing my house. So you guys may get a little bit tidbits of things here and there. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. If you like this one, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you really love it, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment below. All right, until next time, see you guys soon. Bye bye.